In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly access Microsoft Loop. Start by opening your web browser and going to loop.microsoft.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account, personal, work or school, to unlock all Loop features and manage your workspace securely. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. Once logged in, you'll see your Loop workspace, a dynamic hub for collaboration where you can create, share, and organize your projects. Explore the tools and get comfortable navigating your pages and components. If you prefer using an app, open the Windows Store. Search for Microsoft Loop, download and install it, then sign in with your Microsoft account. The app provides the same features as the browser, giving you quick, seamless access from your desktop. And that's it. You can now access Microsoft Loop from both your browser and the app, making collaboration easier and more flexible than ever.